Today we're going to talk about how to adjust your loose chain at home by yourself with no stands. You're going to need a variety of tools for this. I used a hammer, a 1/2 inch to 1/4 adapter, needle nose pliers, a torque wrench, 3 different adjustable wrenches, and a 36mm socket for the rear nut axle. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your cotter pin out of your rear axle. So you do this with the needle nose pliers and just play with it until it comes out. You can use a new cotter pin if needed. Next is you want to detorque your rear axle nut with the 36mm socket and the torque wrench. It'll be torqued down pretty tight, so just wiggle it out slowly. Now identify the adjustment nuts on both sides of your motorcycle and just loosen them up. Now that your axle nut is loosened and your adjustment nuts are loosened, just pull the back tire backwards to make the chain more tight. On my particular bike, I'm using the front hole right next to the axle as reference for the adjustment on each side to make sure it's even and that I don't damage my rear axle. Most stock swing arms come with 2 little retainers for your axle, one for the right side, one for the left side. And on the swing arm itself, it will generally have markers to indicate that you keep your axle straight when adjusting your chain. Now I'm going to re-torque down the rear axle nut while making sure I keep the adjustment on the chain. Now you want to grab that cotter pin and the needle nose pliers, and you want to go ahead and just play with it until you get it back in. It would be much easier if you just use a new cotter pin. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video informational. And thank you for viewing.